welcome to another SatNav Systems video. Today we have Volkswagen Caddy, the latest one, 2021 model. And what we about to do on this car is original Volkswagen heated seats, the factory fitted heated seats that will be controlled from the head unit in the car. So let me show you how it's at the moment, what the setup is. So these are the normal standard seats in the car. The customer didn't want the universal heated seats, which we do normally with the switch on the side here. He wanted the factory ones, so they controlled from the head unit here. So if we go in here, normally what you would have is the heated seats controls here in the corner, so you can select driver or passenger seat and select the heating either on and off and how strong you want it. Now, as you can see, it only shows the temperature because it's a dual climate control, so there is no option for the heated seats. And so we're gonna do the heating mats installation in here, all the wiring, and we're gonna add that to the system in the car, so that'll be all as factory. Right, so we are back in the car now, and we've completed the installation, and as you can see here, the function now is available to select. So let's say we select the driver's heated element, and then it comes up here, so you can select strong heating, medium, or just minimal, really. And it's the same for the passenger and off. And as you can see, the mats are all installed. I cannot show you, I'm afraid, but it's all there. So the base of the seat and the back is has the mats heating elements fully controlled in the car. So you can't see anything fully controlled, sorry, from the head unit here, and you can't see any elements anywhere in the car. So it's just as factory. As always, this comes fully installed to the factory specification and 3 years warranty. We offer this upgrade across Volkswagen and Audi model range, so just get in touch with us. Go to satnavsystems.com/contact us page, or just send us an email directly, info@satnavsystems.com. We need your car details, registration, chassis, the VIN, so we can confirm the compatibility and give you a tailored quotation for your car. Yeah, just looking forward to hearing from you guys, and thank you.